The Skarper eBike conversion kit is making waves in the cycling world, offering a revolutionary way to transform traditional bicycles into efficient electric bikes. This innovative device is designed with simplicity, versatility, and performance in mind, allowing users to experience the joys of e-biking without the need to purchase a new bike. At the heart of the Skarper system is its proprietary DiskDrive technology, which replaces the rear-wheel disc brake rotor with a motorized disc. This allows for seamless integration with most modern bicycles equipped with disc brakes. The motor is compact and lightweight, ensuring minimal disruption to the bike's original design and handling characteristics. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in minutes, making it accessible even to those with limited technical expertise. The kit delivers impressive performance, with speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour, 25 kilometers per hour, and a range of approximately 60 kilometers on a single charge. It's powered by a detachable battery that is easy to charge and swap out for extended rides. Additionally, Skarper emphasizes sustainability, aiming to reduce waste by enabling cyclists to upgrade existing bikes rather than discarding them. Cyclists have praised the Skarper eBike conversion kit for its smooth acceleration, low noise, and user-friendly operation. It's perfect for commuters, recreational riders, and those seeking a cost-effective way to enjoy the benefits of an electric bike. This cutting-edge technology is not just a game-changer for urban mobility but also a step forward in promoting eco-friendly transportation. As the e-bike market continues to grow, Skarper's innovative approach offers a glimpse into the future of cycling.